So another product that we have here is this right here says romantic candle and a colorful candle. They have different ones. This one's one with a shark. This one has the city in it. This one has like a wedding going on, right? And it didn't cost much. It cost $9.99. So I said, let me see that. Anything that has lights and things like that for my setup to make it look spectacular and for me to show you guys here on Tech for Rec or on my other show, On the Lockout, or vice versa, wherever this goes first or wherever I decide to post it. I bring it to you guys, and I like it because it helps me stay entertained and busy. So off top, it has a boop, like a charger adapter. It's a travel adapter. Okay, so it has a travel adapter, input of 100V to 240V, 50 to 60 hertz. Okay. And again, here we go. Output 5V, made in China. 5V, okay. So now it's not probably the best of makes. I mean, for $10, $9.99, bro. What do you expect, Joe? But I like the way it looked on the actual video and all that. The water could have been a little more clearer, but I guess, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. So I got this one. It's the first one I saw. It was the color of what I wanted my setup to be, which was yellow and red. So I'm working on certain sides being yellow and red and another side being white with the 3D walls. I don't know yet. But we're putting certain areas together one step at a time. But this light up here, I just noticed that it doesn't do anything. Then again, it could have been fractured was there. And I said, let me get it. And he put it in a box. And he got that box, and I guess it went to one of these. So right now, right here and then, I'm going to plug it, and I'm going to see, and we all going to see live what it's looking like. It's raining out here in New York. I wish that this thing where the plug goes would have been towards the back. Like, it's right in the front. Like, off top, my dude, whoever did that, you're not too bright. You remind me of some of these keyboards and how these guys with these keyboards and the it's doesn't even matter, bro. It's just crazy. So can you see what's going on there? That looks kind of awesome, right? Wow. That's with the light on. I'm pretty sure this guy up here is supposed to do something, but the fuse is probably out. I don't know. It's probably a look. But we're going to see this bad boy with the lights off right now. We are gathered here tonight to let you know that you are on the hottest show in America. May the force be with you.